Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a kiwi bird. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but in this lesson, we're doing something a little extra. We're going to use our pencil and eraser to draw the main shapes. Just simple circle for the head and also an oval for the body. I hope you're really excited to follow along. Let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's use our pencil to draw the main shapes of our kiwi. We're going to draw two circles, and we're going to start here to draw the head, and we're going to draw it small. About that size. You can go over it a couple times to get it just the way you want it before you move on to the next step. Then we're going to draw the body, and we're going to draw another circle, or let's turn this one into an oval shape. Yeah. And don't worry about making these lines look perfect. It's okay if they're messy and sketchy and a little wobbly. That's okay because these are just guidelines. That's all we need our pencil for. We're going to switch to our marker. And if you want, you could keep using a pencil, but I'm going to switch. We're going to draw the eye next. We're going to draw a circle, and then we can draw a little highlight inside to make the eyes shiny, and color in the big circle. Remember, if I ever go too fast and you need extra time, you can always pause the video too. Okay, next let's draw the beak. We're going to draw it coming down and curving, and then curving back into the head. And then we can draw a little curve for the end of the beak. Okay, next let's trace over the pencil line with our marker. And we're gonna come up here, and instead of going straight in, we can draw a little curve right here in the corner. And then we can draw the rest over the pencil for the body coming back. And I'm going to stop there. Then let's come back over here. We can draw underneath the head. And instead of drawing a corner here, we can also draw a little curve to blend those two shapes together. Now let's draw zigzags for the little feathers or fur. It kind of looks like they're furry, but I think they're feathers. I'm not sure. Actually, it looks like fur. I should look it up. And we got the zigzags all the way to the back. Do kiwis have feathers or fur? I'm a little embarrassed because I looked it up. But kiwis are birds. So even though it looks like fur, they're feathers, really fine feathers, and they're fluffy. But don't tell anyone that I thought it was fur. Okay, now let's draw the legs. And they kind of look like ostrich legs. They're flightless birds, so maybe they have some similarities. Or they kind of look like chicken legs too. We're going to draw two lines coming down for the legs, and then we can draw, they have the toes coming out, but I'm going to draw them more cartoony. So we're going to draw one, and then we can draw another one right here, and then this one we're going to go into the back, but then we can draw another little toe over here to make it more 3D. Then let's do the same thing with this foot. One toe, two toes, and then another one on the other side. And then we can also, even though they don't have wings, we could add a little extra little shape to the body right here. And we did it. There's our simple little kiwi, except we still need to color him. This part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings. But before you color them, switch to your eraser and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. And we did it. We finished coloring our kiwi. Turned out really cool, all colored in. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings. You could also finish your drawing by adding a background. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.